Hi, Mariz. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. I'm sorry if I didn't. I wanted to record this video for you so that you could understand in a little bit more detail how to work through your course. So when you open your course, it should look like this. Okay? I need you to go to your modules, and something that you were unable to complete was your pre-participation house screening. There are a couple items that you need to do in order to see this. So you are going to download the pre-participation form and then re-upload it. If you actually go to your grades, you will see the comments that I made on your assignment. So pre-participation house screening, if you click right here, you'll be able to see the comments and go to the actual assignment that you had submitted. You can click view feedback, and on your feedback, on your comments over here, you only submitted, there will be a comment over here for you. You only submitted the first page. So I need you to complete the second page. You can take a picture of it and attach that file. Okay. Second important thing, as you go back to modules, each week in the course, so we are now in week 2 of the course, you have one required academic assignment. That assignment for week number 2 is listed here for you. It's activities of daily living and sit time. So you'll click on that assignment and you'll be taken to the directions page. So this is this week's assignment. You are going to have to watch just 2 separate videos. There's one here and one here, and read the article. So all the directions are given for you. You will read an article, and then question number 4 is how to submit your answer. So after viewing both of the videos on excessive sitting and reading the article about 8 ways to add more movement to your day, you're going to be required to answer the following questions. You can do that in a Word document or a text box, whatever you prefer in any way that you're going to be able to upload that to Canvas. So you're going to do how many hours a day did you find out that you were sitting? Were you surprised by this finding? Discuss one piece of information that was presented in either of the videos that you found surprising or interesting. And then discuss 3 practical ways in which you can incorporate more movement into your daily life. Make sure you are specific. Okay? The example given is, instead of driving to my mailbox, I will walk to get the mail instead. So you can create that in a Word document or the like, and also note that as a GCC student, you can get Microsoft Word for free. I have posted that information in the announcements, so you can go back and look at that. And to access announcements, you just click over here on the Announcements tab. So then you will submit your assignment. Okay, so that is required, and that will need to be turned in by Sunday night at 11:59. If you fail to turn that in, you will be withdrawn from the course. Per your syllabus requirements, you need to be active in the course, which means turning in your required assignment every single week. Okay, and then the other important thing that you need to be working on are your activity quizzes. So since we are in week 2, you would turn in a activity quiz 2.1 and then 2.2, 2.3. You are allowed to turn in a maximum of 2 of these activity quizzes per day, and you need to make sure that you're doing activities of 30 to 60 minutes in order to get credit for it. So we give you a variety of options. You can use the Down Dog app. If you go for a walk or a hike outside, you can map MyFitness using your mobile phone and then taking a screenshot of that. You can also use Fitness Blender and Pop Sugar. They both have videos. You can use Yogi Approved, which is yoga videos. If you need something that's lower intensity, we have a bunch of modified exercises here for you, or you can use the GCC Fitness Center YouTube channel. So after completing, let's say I did the Down Dog app and I did a 35-minute yoga video following that. So I would take the quiz. And here, I would actually mark that I did yoga, and I did it on the Down Dog app. Question 2 is, how long did you participate in this activity? I did a 35-minute video. And then question 3 is going to be in 2 to 3 sentences, give a detailed description of the activity and the health benefits from the participation in this activity. So an example for me is I would type in, I completed a 35-minute down dog yoga video today. Some of the exercises included were cobra pose, down dog, and pigeon pose. I enjoyed this activity because it was relaxing. Okay, you can check your spelling, obviously. I'm typing pretty fast here, so that's just an example of something that you could write. Then in question number 4, that's going to be where you're going to upload your accountability piece. So you can use, if you took a selfie of yourself doing the yoga, you could also take a screenshot of the yoga that you were completing. On the Down Dog app, actually, it shows after you've completed it, it shows a little calendar that shows 30 minutes or 35-minute activity completed. You could take a screenshot of that, and then you would upload that here. Then you would submit your quiz. Okay, so ideally for this course, we want you to be getting, you're going to need to do your 1 academic assignment each week, which is worth 1 hour. And then you will need to be doing, we recommend 3 to 4 other activity quizzes a week. Remember, you can turn in a maximum of 2 activity quizzes per day for this course, with a maximum of 6 per week. So total number of hours a week that you can earn is the 1 for your required assignment, and then the 6 others for your activity assignments. Okay. Again, I hope this video is very helpful for you. And remember that you can always use your inbox over here to send me a message. And that we have a ton of announcements and a ton of videos for you, which you can access over here on the announcements. For week 2, I did post another video for you on how to check your hours and what you should be working on. The information about the free Microsoft Office for your Word documents is posted here. So we have a ton of information posted for you. Just make sure you're checking up those on those announcements, as I do post videos pretty regularly, and it shows you how to complete that. Also, in your modules section, in that first orientation module, we have several videos of Welcome to Your Hybrid course. In this video, it shows you how to navigate your course and what is being required of you. Also, in this, we have an example of how to complete your activity quizzes. So here is another example. Okay, so if hopefully the videos are helpful, and if you have any questions, please let me know.